This video is about adding and subtracting integers. We can use integer chips to model addition and subtraction with integers. We have two different colors of chips. The yellow chip is a positive 1. The red chip is a negative 1. If you add together a positive 1 and a negative 1, a red chip plus a yellow chip, you get 0. This is called making a zero. If we wanted to add positive 3 and negative 5, we would have 3 positive chips, 3 yellows, and 5 negative chips, 5 reds. We're going to make zeros, remove 1 red and 1 yellow to make 0. There's another 0 gone, and another 0 gone. What's left? Negative 2. That's the answer. Whatever's left is your answer. Let's try another one. Negative 3 plus negative 2. Start with 3 negatives, 3 reds. Add 2 more negatives. There's no zeros to take away. What's left? Negative 5. So negative 3 plus negative 2 was negative 5. We can also use a number line to model addition with integers. If we have positive 4 plus negative 6, we always start at 0. And for positive numbers, we go to the right. So to the right 4, that's positive 4. From the end of that, we go to the left, negative 6. Negative numbers go to the left. And wherever you end up on the number line is your answer. We ended up at negative 2. Let's look at another example. If we have negative 3 plus positive 5, we'll start at 0 and go to the left 1, 2, 3 for negative 3. And from there, go to the right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And where we end up on the number line is our answer. Negative 3 plus positive 5 is positive 2. One more example. What if we have numbers that are the same signs? Negative 2 plus negative 1. Start at 0, to the left, and then from that point to the left once more, and we end up at negative 3. Here are some rules when you're adding integers. If you have two numbers that have the same signs, you add them and keep the sign. If you have integers with different signs, you subtract and take the sign of the larger number. We can also use integer chips to model integer subtraction. Remember, subtracting is just taking away. So if we have negative 4 minus negative 2, start by building your first number, negative 4 red chips, and we're going to take away 2 negatives. So 2 red chips are going to be taken away from our drawing. What's left? That's the answer, negative 2. Negative 4 minus negative 2 is negative 2. What if we have numbers with different signs? If we have negative 3 minus positive 2, start by building our first number, 3 red chips for negative 3. We're going to add some zeros, 1 yellow and 1 red. Add another 0, another yellow and another red. Now we can take away 2 positive chips. And whatever's left is your answer. Negative 5. 5 red chips is negative 5. Here's the secret for subtracting integers. You can turn it into an addition problem. Just add the opposite. For example, if we had the problem negative 4 minus positive 3, we can rewrite this as an addition problem. The negative 4 stays the same. You change subtraction to addition, and then you take the opposite of the last number. Opposite of positive 3 is negative 3. Negative 4 plus negative 3 is negative 7.